right, before that, let's go across and straight away cutting across to these latest visuals coming in from outside the Bihar Assembly, where we have been witnessing this evening a massive drama unfolding. There has been massive security deployment at the Assembly in Patna, Bihar as well. These are the latest visuals on our screen right now. Massive escalation that is currently underway over the Special Arms Police Ordinance, and there has been a demand over the same by certain opposition members who are creating. We have seen clashes between the women MLAs and the security teams out there. The security has been beefed up. This is a protest over the new police law that was passed and that was brought up in the Assembly today. The law gives more powers to the cops in Bihar, and these are the clashes that are being witnessed between the women MLAs as well as the police personnel there right outside the Bihar Assembly right now. All right, so we are witnessing a ruckus at the Bihar Vidhan Sabha yet again. That is the Assembly right outside the Bihar Assembly, where we have seen these clashes that have erupted between the women legislators and the women police personnel there, as you can see on the visuals on the screen right now, where the women police personnel are trying to remove the female legislators from right outside the Bihar Assembly. And there have been clashes being witnessed between several of these legislators as well as the police right outside the Bihar Assembly at this point. This is regarding a recent ordinance that has been passed in the Bihar Assembly. Let's go across to my colleague Satya Prakash now joining us. Prakash Singh joining us over the phone line. Prakash, help us understand what are we seeing right now on our screens.
Well, the situation is trying to be being brought under control. And what we get to know that still some moments back, the women MLAs of RJD got hold of the speaker's chair, and with the intervention of the women constabulary present in the Bihar Vidhan Sabha, somehow normalcy has been restored. But still the RJD MLAs are protesting against the bill. Remember, tomorrow is the last day of the Bihar Vidhan Sabha session, and the RJD had planned for a protest against the rise in crime graph as well as the rise in unemployment, as it was one of the poll promises made by the NDA, and Tejasvi Yadav had led the protest. And thereafter, when the bill concerning the police bill, in which the opposition alleged that this is a draconian law, and they were not allowing it to be passed in the House. And thereafter, the scuffle started between the RJD MLAs and the NDA MLAs, and it was unruly behavior. And they had locked the Bihar Vidhan Sabha Speaker Vijay Sinha inside their chamber, and they were protesting outside the Bihar Vidhan Sabha chamber, the RJD MLAs. And thereafter, the Speaker of the Vidhan Sabha called up the local administration led by the DM and the SSP, and forces had to be deployed along with the rapid action forces and the marshal present in Vidhan Sabha to restore normalcy. But of late, it has been seen that there has been an aggressive posture by the RJD, and that's what was visible in the Vidhan Sabha when ruckus and scuffle and muscle flexing took place in the presence of all the MLAs, and some MLAs were taken to hospital also. So in the past many years, this kind of behavior was not seen in the Bihar Vidhan Sabha, and that too concerning a bill. Now, the opposition members as well as the ruling party member are in talks as to how to restore the normalcy, and still the RJD MLAs are sitting under protest.